Welcome back, budgeting enthusiasts. Today we are diving into one of YNAB'S. You need a budget most powerful features to the auto assign buttons. If you have ever felt overwhelmed by budgeting, these tools are here to streamline your process and save you on time. First, log into your YNAB account and navigate to the budget section on the left sidebar. If you have funds available in the ready to assign section, you're ready to go. First, l- on the web or in the web app, find the auto assign buttons in the right hand column or click the assign money options at the top. If you're using the mobile app, tap assign money and then auto assign by. Remember, these buttons will only appear if you have money ready to assign. You can either apply auto assign to all categories or select specific ones. Just check the boxes next to your desired categories. The most popular button is the underfunded option. This button prioritizes funding based on due dates and category importance. Simply click it and YNAB will allocate your available funds accordingly. YNAB offers 8 auto assign buttons, each designated or designed for different scenarios such as reducing overfunding and addressing underfunded categories. Familiarize yourself with these options to maximize your budgeting efficiency. By utilizing YNAB's auto assign buttons, you can take control of your finances with ease. These tools not only simplify the budgeting process but also help ensure that your money is allocated where it's needed most. So why wait? Start exploring these features today and make budgeting a breeze. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more budgeting tips and tricks. Happy budgeting!